FXLifestyle.com took the world by storm. We became one of the world's biggest and trusted Forex companies in the world, gaining millions of YouTube views and followers on our social media. We've helped members make over $5 million in profits through our Forex trading services. Some of our top earning members make up to $4,000 per day by copying our live Forex signals. We do all the hard work for you. We go over the Forex chart and find the best live Forex trades to send directly to your phone for you to then profit. Every time we make a profit, so do you. It's that simple. Over 50,000 members from all over the world use our services to make profit on a daily basis with a simple click of a button. We send out our live Forex signals for people to copy and profit every day 24/7. It doesn't matter if you're completely new to Forex or experienced, we will guide you step by step and help you succeed. Forex signals are where you can copy our exact trades on a daily basis and make a profit every single time we make a profit. Just remember, we're professional Forex traders and make a lot of profit every single day. It's crazy because people don't realize that they're just one click away from success. You could be earning over $500 in the next 12 hours simply by copying our signals. You don't do a thing. All you do is copy. We do all the hard work and analyze the market to make sure we send you the most profitable Forex signals. You don't have to sit at a computer all day or look at your phone all day. You just copy and paste the trade that we send you from your phone or your laptop and get on with your day. It's that simple. Forex is one of the most powerful and profitable businesses in the world. We make it simple and profitable for anyone. A few years ago I was completely lost in life, broke and depressed. I then came across Forex trading. I saw that people were making huge amounts of money, so I got interested in trading. Once I had figured things out and started trading proper, I was able to live life how I always wanted. I was earning around $3,000 to $4,000 per day. I was able to travel the entire world with my family, drive my dream car, live in my dream home. But this all required hard work and dedication. I then realized that if I can do this, so can others. So I started sending people my exact trades that I take on a daily basis for them to copy, and the results were just insane. I'd wake up every day and see so many messages from these people. They would show me their profits, and I'd see some of them make up to $4,000 in a day simply by copying my Forex signals. That's when FXLifestyle.com first started. I started allowing people from all over the world to join the FXLifestyle.com group. So I guess you're wondering how you can join. Keep watching this video to see how you can start making profit with us today and join over 50,000 other traders. For those of you who are new and have no experience in Forex, don't worry. We'll guide you step by step once you've joined. Forex is the world's biggest financial market with over $5.1 trillion traded per day. That means it's way bigger than the stock market. How it works is very simple. You just buy or sell a currency with one click of a button. You either buy when the market is low or sell when the market is high. Forex signals are where we send you our exact trades that we've taken for you to then copy and profit. Every time we make a profit, you'll make a profit with us too. Once we have taken a trade, we'll send it directly to your phone, or you'll see the trade on the members dashboard. Let's say we take a trade and make $3,000 for the day. You'll also make a profit with us because you copied the trade that we sent you. We send out trades every day 24/7, meaning that you will never miss a trade or there's always a trade available.